Alright, so this is what we'll be opening. Score 1990 NFL football cards. Series 1. So let's get started. My brother will be opening it.
Yeah. Hoping for a good rookie.
Barry Sanders.
I don't know if he was drafted that to put a set on the back, but I don't
It
think
just shows a list of players that can be possibly drafted.
Yeah, so you can pause it and see the odds on the back.
Alright, let's get to opening it.
Oh, this is like old sealed. Like melted together or something. Mike, I like the base cards of these. Mike Johnson, Dom Beebe, Robert Perryman, Albert Bentley, Frank Minifield.
Oh, what's that? Super Bowl trivia card. That's different. 2 players were back-to-back Super Bowl MVPs.
Name one of them. Roger Staubach, A. Terry Bradshaw, B. Bart Starr, C. Jim Plunkett.
It's C
D.
because I'm a Packer fan.
I kind of think.
It's C, Benjamin. I already know.
I kind of think it's A.
But if you look, it says C. Star in game 67 and 68. Alright.
Okay. Jerry Gray, John Offerdahl, Sterling Sharp, Rod Woodson, Morton Anderson, Jim Jensen, JoJo Tomsell, Bo Jackson.
Nice.
Card 10 of 12.
It's numbered. Nice.
Yep. Thurman Thomas, number 2 of 12.
Oh.
Joe Montana, numbered 1 of 12.
Nice.
And Andre Bruce for the Falcons.
So we didn't get any rookies? What?
But we got really good players numbered.
Oh, I know what one's the rookie. Here. Sterling Sharp is. So let me look. Alright. Okay, this is not a rookie. Alright, so it didn't come with any rookies. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.